Servus and hello, welcome to this new Friday vlog. It's 10:30 in the morning and I only have a couple of things today. I just watched the last one so I don't double up on things. I can already tell you that I forgot to take the pictures, but we have some exciting things. So let's get started. I now have, for every order, I have small business cards with the eBay and the shop. It is in German, but because that's where my main buyers come from, I had one order from Norway and one from Italy, but that's it. So it's just 100 in German. I can the next time where I will have my own website that I still need to program. This is where then I get English ones. So I hopefully can export it a little bit. So the next big thing on today's list is downstairs in the basement. Before we get to the big thing, the orange PLA I bought from 3D Jake gave me a lot of problems because it didn't print properly. But I loaded up the gold and it's kind of a satin finish. I can show you a box and a small sample upstairs. But funnily enough, the gold works like a charm. I have just some small stringing issues which can be solved with retraction and dropping the temperature a bit. But the big thing is, you may remember that I said that I broke my Elegoo Master 2 Pro. I kind of hung on it for a bit, searched for parts, didn't find any, because finding the replacement parts and especially things like the LCD, the ball bearing that I broke, I reached out to the Elegoo support. I expected nothing because I am not the original buyer. I bought it from somebody that bought the Master 2 Pro, and he realized that this is too small, so he sold it on eBay, and I got it. Now this is not a very old machine. I reached out after some back and forth. They told me they would send it to me for free, which I am very happy about. Now he works again. So this is the Master 2 Pro and the normal Mars. Both are done printing something. I can give you a small sneak peek of what's in there. The thing you just saw is for the biggest project I have ever done, which I will announce today or tomorrow. Keep on the lookout, where I will print a lot of miniatures and also paint a lot of miniatures. I am also on Twitter now, so if you want to see me tweet something once in a while, I will put my handle down here. This is the small material example, which shows the color pretty well. And here is a box. Too much light. It's a very beautiful filament. I will use it to print a dark gray dice tray base and then print the top of gold. I think they can look pretty nice, or the whole thing out of gold, I don't know. And I still have to shoot the photos for the dice trays and added 27mm bases to my portfolio of bases. I will also add the 32mm bases with a slit in it for certain Game Workshop games, and I will add that to my shop shortly. I still need to print them and give them to a friend of mine who has these minis, and he will try them out, and then they will be online. That's it for today. I wish you a happy Friday. I hope you print something and have no print failures. Tschüss und auf Wiedersehen.